Jazz the Jovial. Welcome in or welcome back to my channel. We are going to be starting a brand new, fresh, maybe even, oh, what's that smell? Amazing anime. I'm so corny sometimes. Okay, this anime is going to finish the set of 3 that is all about cooking, food, yummy, and your tummy. The name of this anime is Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skill. Let's go ahead and take a look at this description. Salaryman Tsuyoshi Mukoura is accidentally summoned as a hero to the kingdom of Rage Seger in Another World to help defend against their enemies. Wary of the royal family's true intentions, Mukoura is able to talk his way out of the situation due to his non-combat skill, online supermarket, which is deemed useless. However, this power proves to be anything but useless. With this ability, Mukoura is able to cheaply purchase food products and utensils from Japan, most of which are considered luxuries in this world. As Mukoura cooks up a storm using his ability, he catches the eye of the fearsome mythical wolf, Fenrir. Oh, okay. The legendary beast swiftly negotiates a contract to become Mukoura's familiar, unable to resist the delicious dishes. With Fenrir by his side, Mukoura travels the world, earning his keep as an adventurer and merchant, all the while enjoying delectable meals. All right. Well, that description was certainly a mouthful, but we're not going to let it get us down, just like he didn't let it get him down. This non-combat skill he has. Honestly, online supermarket sounds pretty good. I don't like going hungry. Nobody does. So we're just going to go ahead and see how useful this skill really is. So let's hop on in. Episode 1, my absurd skill is unexpectedly useful. Oh, she's cute. Oh, so he's not the only person that was summoned here. To praise your abilities? Okay, so that's not our guy. Okay. Playing out like a video game. Yeah, there's another one back here. You had to read out his age too? That's actually... Bro, he was just at the grocery store, it seems. Bro, he's embarrassed for you. Oh. Okay, I can see why. Oh no, the camera did him dirty for sure. And she is all bone. Look at these youngins, ready to do stuff, and he has not changed into anything. He's still in his suit, his business suit. Don't call him that. He's not even worried about getting back either. Well, he talked himself out of that. 20 gold. Hey, you need to... I mean, you look expensive compared to his third clothes, I guess. So how much was that? Oh, I love that. You instantly... I feel like everybody's robbing him. I don't know. Yeah, he's... Oh, you're gonna move to a different country. Oh, wow, he's getting into it already. I think I would too. The Prism item box, Tsuyoshi Mokura. Accidental Otherworlder? That's crazy. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna change. 난데요. Whoa. Food and daily consumables only. 8 iron coins? How many iron coins does it take to make a gold coin in this world? 1 copper coin. Okay, so there's iron, then copper, right? Insufficient balance. Wait, how do you put your money that you have IRL into the online? Also, the fact that they have no way. Ah, the future is beautiful. In another world, of course. It's so instant. Oh, I'm decking the place out with all kinds of goodies. Wait, it's only for online grocery. Yeah, especially if you want to be like a, what do they call them? A neat? Is that a derogatory term in Japan? No, I think it is. Never mind. I think the first time I heard of a neat was in Eden of the East. A show I liked very much at the time, and I should definitely rewatch to see if I still love it as much as I once did. Because I actually thought neats were pretty cool. But I'm gonna stop saying it because I'm not sure if I understood the term back then. I never looked into it, so please forgive me if it's a bad term. Normal people don't have that. Only about 1 in 1,000 people can obtain. Oh. Oh, so this is normal to have heroes from another world. What? Yeah, he's trying not to. But you're asking questions. Well, that's good. Yeah, it is. Did you see the king? Why? Bro. Are you not able to leave? No. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. And that's fair enough. Okay. That's what he's trying to do, but they closed borders. I mean, if you... Well... I know you're able to buy food. Why are you looking so sus? For real, dog? Oh my gosh.
高いな。
ただ、今は乗り合い馬車が
Ah. Oh my, how small is that writing? It might be smaller than mine.
しれません。
わかりました。それで。
Oh my. Werner? Is it the cute girl?
この人
Oh
を
wow.
定年王国の国
That's
境
my
まで送
tank
ってい
right
って
there.
くれない？ちょうど方角でしょ？
Wow. Mukoda.
引き受けてもらえれば、
Well, that
道中の
sounds much
食事は
easier.
こちらで持ちます。料理は嫌いじゃないし、あのスキルを使えば食材も安く
Alright. Okay. Oh, you'll get a whole party.
ありがとうございます。
Arigatou gozaimasu.
できれば。
わかった。
Alright. So when do they get the gold coins? When they get back? Or?
どうも。石膏のリタ。
よろしく。
魔法使いのラモンに。よろしく。
Oh, a mage. Oh, you got the whole crew. You got the tank, the healer, like the magic person. Like, okay.
ここで昼休憩にしよう。
Let's take a break. Did we not just...
小田さんってアイテムボックス持ちなんだ。
Oh.
どうりで荷物少ないと思った。
ああ。容量は小さいですけどね。
You did get the cute girl. Who's the friend? Does he have magic?
ほうほう。
今なら破格の
Oh. Yeah, no, you're not skimming it off of me.
ね。
That's fair. I was about to say, I was like, I don't
や
know,
っ
do you
ぱあったかいものが
do
な
you
いと
have
寂し
music?
くなるからな。
Music. Do you have magic to even imbue into? Oh my gosh, that's so many sandwiches. You know what? That's a lot of people. Oh, he started blushing. It was that good.
このスープも実に味わい深い。
そうっすか。
Got my whole Fire Emblem crew right here.
item box に入れて持ってきたんですよ。
How? What else do you have in your
そん
item
な
box?
貴重なものを。
Hmm? He's like, maybe I don't need the 8 coins. Please don't. I need you to protect me with full
最
strength.
初はたった一人の護衛なんてしょぼい。
Okay, that's not nice. Do you want the 8 gold coins or not?
の事情があるんだろう。突っ込んで聞くつもりはない。
そう言っていい。
Arigato. Oh, after just 1 mil. Well, you won them over. Oh, why do we have to look at the diagrams? Like, what? What's going on? Oh, does that mean trouble? Trouble's brewing. Golly, you got moth monsters. Well, they make quick work of them. Can they be made into food? Didn't you?
レッドボアがいる。
There's a
なん
red
か気が
boar.
立ってるみたい。
ボア、イノシシ。
Yeah, he's looking for some ingredients, isn't he? Ramon. He's got. Oh my gosh, that is huge.
向田さんは
That's what I'm saying, Mukura.
こちらへ。
Are you gonna make like a shield bubble?
さすが C ランク。
You really think so? Oh my gosh. And then the meat can be used
惜
for
し
you
いけ
guys.
ど食える分だけにするしかないね。
そうだな。
Can he put in his item box? How heavy is that? Well, obviously he's not gonna weigh it. I mean, it's not gonna weigh him down in his item box.
これくらいならなんとか。
Really?
という設定で通す。
Ah, okay. I was like, if barely anybody can get an item box, and you basically have to just come from a different universe, world entirely, it better not, be tight in there.
本当はネットスーパーの商品を見られたくないからなんだけどね。
Is that tofu? Oh, that looks gorgeous. Oh,
セージも入れないとな。
a sausage. Oh, you don't cut those up. Where did you get a bowl? Okay. Potofu, packed potofu, and bread.
もしかしてスー
ポトフ。
Potofu. Do they know what sausages are? Itadakimasu. Baby sausages.
あれ
Yeah, everybody's like silent. Oh my gosh. And they're scuffing it down.
もし
They'll remember these meals for the rest of their lives.
そんなに
旅の食事
Oh. So like beef jerky and
プこのご飯のおかげで
I'm
あ
not
たい
gonna
なんていつも
offend
よ
any.
り体のキレがいい感じだもん私は疲れ
So in a game, like maybe like Honkai Star Rail or something, he'd have the meals
入れてないよな。
that boost you
食い物がうまければ
Give
気
you
の
like
持ちようも変わってきて
500 extra
当
attack
然
or something, you know? I get it. She's 16? You can't be acting like that because you saw her age.
何このパラメータ
Oh, I wasn't looking at that. Increases MP by approximately 2%.
考えたらかなりヤバいもんだよな。
Wait, why
こ
is
っ
it
ちの人にし
dangerous?
てみたら異世界の食べ物だし。絶対知られたらまずいことになる。
At least he's thinking about his safety. I'm gonna guess this is Finver again, who we read about in the description.
フェーネン王国だ。国境を
Two
越
or
えた
three
ら
more days.
町までは半日ほどだ。
How long have you guys been traveling? I'd say at least 2 days?
この間のレッドバーの肉使わせてもらいますね。
おう、楽しみにしてるぜ。
I'm glad that he's not like... I don't know.
置いた方が良さそうだし、この世界のものを積極的に使っていこう。
You're gonna get used to... Oh my gosh, that is huge. Okay. Yeah, I don't think anybody's worried about
から
that. Oh
肉を
my.
漬け込んでる間に
The cabbage-like vegetable? Well, let's make sure that things that look like good foods in your world are not actually like
生姜焼きにキ
poisonous
ャ
in
ベ
this
ツは不可
one.
欠だからな。フライパンを熱して
Ah, this is getting my world building active. Wow.
なんだこの匂い。
Oh,
これ絶対うまいやつ。
Fenrir wants some of the...
ところで完成。
I'm sorry, were you a salary man with like a chef background? Like Oh, their stats are through the roof for sure. And I love how as soon as I was like, he probably has like, because they were like, oh yeah, this is so cool and this makes me feel stronger.
キャベットを生で食べるのは初めてだが。
He rolled the meat around it? Around the like cabbage-like thing? A sandwich. Okay. Wait, he's on to stuff. Also, how big is the bread? You just folded a piece of bread around it. I love how as soon as I was like his he's from a different world.
俺の世界、田舎ではキャベツっていう。
Hind? As in behind? Ah, yes. I thought it was oh yeah, I'd be peeing myself. Feed that to me? Yes, sir. Don't mind if you do. Everybody, give me your place right now. Right now. Come on, give him your food. No.
Hi.
Oh my goodness. Okay, that's not right. We're just about to go through all of that. Wait, is this the end of the episode already? Oh my gosh, she actually did go through all that meat. All their food is gone. I'm sorry, I think he's gonna run out of... I'm sorry, that roar wasn't even good. Paltry amount. Um...
魔物だよ。そんなのと契約ってやばいでしょ。
You can't even decline. I accept, yep. All of you guys get eaten immediately if you refuse. Okay. Yes. Come here like a good boy. Like, you did not just pat the ground. What?
Huh?
You better be going out to hunt. Oh, there you go. That's what I want to see.
最初にもらった金貨はこれ。1枚だいたい1万円。
So $100. Wow.
の方が安いけど、ネットスーパーは日本の価格が反映されてるから100円相当の。日とかで結構使ったから残金は。 金貨8枚、銀貨5枚。
Alright, we're at the end of episode 1. Okuda seems very nice, very strategic, very smart overall. Street smart, book smart. Street smart for sure. Yeah, we don't know too much about him, but he was a salaryman, so he was working an office job day in, day out, and obviously he has life skills. He's 27, so he may be wiser than some of his party members, his accompanying party members, which are very cool. I love the whole, like, you got the healer, the tank, the magic. I keep mentioning those three because I'm just like, it reminds me of my good old, my people from Three Houses. So, which I feel like I always mention that, but like the world building and like environment and Fire Emblem, I can never stop thinking about. So, I really need to do a world building series one of these days, right? My Pinterest board's at least 20,000 plus pens. That is the social media I like to be on. Anyway, that aside, completely went off on a tangent. You guys love those. Anyway, Makuta is cool. He seems to have been a cook as well as a salaryman. So, like, he's using his coin very well. He knows how to saute and do all this amazing stuff that, I mean, I'd be making them. I'd be grabbing ramen packs, and that's all they would be eating with me. None of my food would be memorable to them. They'd call me the soup girl, okay? And nothing else. Fenrir would eat us. He would not be trying to make contracts with us. Fenrir is a glutton. If this was Power World, he would have the max, like 3 down symbol, and it would be gluttonous. Yeah, because that is what he is. But he seems incredibly strong because obviously, if you know the tales of Fenrir, then then you know. I mean, just think of, I don't know, like God of War or something. I don't know. Anyway, this is why I usually have notes, but I'm gonna try to stop writing notes because it takes me so long to. I be thinking and thinking, and then I don't do these overviews until like a half hour after I filmed the episode. So you guys are just gonna have to get used to more tangents, okay? That's what it is. Anyway, I am going to be giving this. Oh yeah, I also want to say, obviously the world building is great to me already. I love a smart protagonist. I love that he's not just bragging about the things that he has. He's trying to gauge like reactions, questions. He's doing it piece by piece. He's not trying to. He already was like, these royals are not looking like what they may try to seem. What the youngins from my world are trying to protect, I don't know about that. And what else did I want to say? This is why I write notes. What I kept interrupting my own self on. I thought it was really cool that they confirmed what I was talking about just a moment before they did the confirming. Because I think the girl that I first said was cute, she is 16. I will not be calling. She is cute, but in a very platonic way, okay? Anybody can be beautiful, cute, whatever. Don't at me. She was saying, like, oh, I feel stronger. I don't know if it's because of the food. And I was like, oh, so he would be like in Honkai Star Rail, like dishes. And like, of course, in other games, you have the food items that make you have more attack, or you have some defense, or it does this or that, or it revives you and all of that. So I said, oh, that would be like his ability, huh? And then he showed off that their stats change based off of his food. So that was the confirmation. Anyway, with all of that out of the way, ponytail swinging and all, I'm going to be giving this a 10 out of 10. No. I'm not really into Fenrir yet, for some people into things. And the royals, I just need to know more, okay? I need to know more about everything. Should I? Okay, you know what? I'm going back and forth with myself. So it's going to be a 9.5 out of 10 pot de fou. Is that what it was called? The stuff he gave them? Yeah, probably. Anyway, whatever that was, 9.5 out of 10 of those, okay? Feel free to like, subscribe. I love having you here. Please have a discussion with me. Please, I'm begging, I'm lonely. And share with your friends if you like it and you want to see more to come. There is so much more to come. And just talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you thought. Let me know, what do you think your base stats would be in this world? Yeah. If you stay to the end, go ahead and answer that. Anyway, that's going to do it for me. Thank you so much for being here for episode 1, and I hope you come back to enjoy the rest of the 12 episodes of this anime. And I think a season 2 actually just finished recently, so we're gonna watch that together or not? Like, anyway, I will see you all in whatever thing you choose to watch from me next. Love, Jasmines, and Bunnies.